Hello students, now let us see the problem number 51. Okay, so atomic number of next new inert gas to be discovered will be, okay, inert gas. So 51, how to next inert gas? Four options they have given: 87, 104, 118, 132. So student, how can you be able to solve this problem? First of all, we should know that is what are the inert gas, where are the inert gas. So suppose they are saying that is next inert gas they are asking, no, next inert gas. So how can you would solve, student? That is helium there, neon, that is argon, krypton. Then what is next one is xenon, radon, and next they are asking what could be the next element, whose atomic number is there. If it is atomic number 2, student, so you add plus 8, so it will be what, student? 10. Again you add plus 8, so that will be 18. You add, that is 18, here you add, so it will be 36. Again you add, that is plus 18, so that is it will be 54, plus you add, that is 32. So how much is coming, student? 4 to 6, and that is 5 3 8 86. Again you add plus 32, student, so you check how much is 6 to 8, and 8 3 11. So next element to be discovered is atomic number 118. So let us move, student. What are the options are there? Option number 3 is the correct option, student, 118. Okay, next 52. The element with atomic number 12 belongs to the group and period. 52, student, that is question number 52. So element they have given atomic number, student, 12. Elements atomic number they have given how much, student? That is 12, and they are asking what could be the group and what could be the period. So that is 12 is there, student. So configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, and 3s2. Okay, 2 to 4 6 10 12. So this one configuration. So this three number is representing, principal quantum number, principal quantum number equal to period. Okay, student. So period equal to what is 3, and this electron is representing, student, number of electron. Electron is group number. So how many electron are there, student? That is 2 electrons. So group number what will be? 2 electron means group number 2. So period 3 group 2, period 3 group 2 for the question number 52. So period 3, group 2. So here is third period group, this is not the second period, not, that is second group, third period. Option number 3 is correct, student. Now let us read out the question number 53. Element which generally exhibit variable oxidation state and form colored compound. Transition element. Transition element is having, student, configuration ns1 to 2, n minus 1d, n minus 1d, 1 to 10. So that is 1 to 10 is there, student. So they will have the variable oxidation state, student, variable oxidation state. So variable oxidation state, this one. So that is why they give the colored ions. Okay, so that is correct option is option number 2. Cesium 58, cerium 58 belongs to F block element, student. After lanthanum 57, cerium comes, student, 58. This is first transition, first lanthanide. This is the first lanthanide that you have to keep in mind. First lanthanides. Okay, first lanthanide. Okay, so option number 4 is correct. Now 55. The outermost orbit of the element X is partially filled with electron, then that element is, okay. So outermost is partially filled, student. Outermost is, suppose S block is there, S block. So outermost is partially filled means ns1 to ns1, no, ns1 to 2 you can say, or you can say ns1. Okay, and for P block, student, P block. So P block what will be there? ns2 and np1 to 5. So partially filled means, student, if partially filled, last cell means this is known as what? A representative element. Representative element. Representative elements are what, student? S and P block element. S and P block element. Okay, S and P block elements, except 0, except what is, that is 0, except 0 or group 18. It's a 0 of group 18. So they are what is representative element. Representative element basically what are their, student? They have all type of element, like they can have the metal. Okay, student, metal, then non-metal. Okay, non-metal, then you can be metallites, metallites, or it can be that is solid, or it can be the liquid, okay, or it can be so the elements, the group or block, the elements which have all type of elements, that is known as representative element, and they are the S and P block element. So correct option will be option number 2, representative element. Now let us move next problem, student. Problem number 56. What is their problem? 56. What they are saying, which is the atomic number of another element present in the same group as the zinc 13? You know, zinc 13 is there, student. So how can you be able to solve this problem, student? 56 number. So that is 13 they have given, and that is 13 means that is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 and 3s2, 3p1. So this is a group is group is what, student? Group is 13. Okay, p block element, that is group is 13. How 13 is coming, student? 2s group or 10d group plus 1 this one. So how much is 10 to 12 1? 13 group. Period is 3. Okay, so period 3 is there, student. Period 3. So period 3 is there and this atomic number is 13. So next period we have to add 18 element. So 18. So how much will be there, student? This will be 8 3 11 31. Okay, student. And then after again that is 31. This is the next element. Again if you are you need another element, again you add 18. So how much be 819 and 819 and 314 49. So let us check, student, what are the elements are there. What are the element possible, students? Here is the what are there, 14 not possible, 32 not possible, 31 is possible. Here if 31 is there, that will be correct. 49 is the correct answer, student. 49 you can check out, student. 49 will belongs to same group. 31 49 belongs to same group. So this is our required answer. Next one, elements whose atoms have 3 outermost cell incomplete are called F block element. Okay, so F block elements is having all the 3 no cells are incomplete, student. What are the configuration for F block element? N minus 2 F1 to 14. Okay, and then what is N minus 1 D 0 or 1, and then again is there NS NS it is 2 is there, but they are 1 to 2 sometime is there. So that is also all are incomplete. So that is they are saying element whose atoms have 3 outermost cell incomplete, that is what is known as F block element. Which of the following statement is wrong, student? Which of the following statement is wrong? So that is for all actinides are not synthetic. This is wrong, student. All actinides are synthetic. Synthetic, that is man-made. All actinides are man-made. So this is the wrong statement. This is the required answer. They are asking the wrong. This is our required. In lanthanide, last electron enter to 4f, that is also correct. NP93 onward are the transuranic spirit. Okay, after uranium all are transuranic. Lanthanum is the D block element. After lanthanum is 57. This is D block. D block. Okay. After lanthanum, that is what is coming, cerium, that is 58. This is F block. Okay, student, that is also all are correct. Only the wrong statement is option number 1. Now let us move next point. Which of the following statement is wrong? So 59, if you see, student, total number of liquid element in the periodic table is 6. That is correct. First metal element in the periodic table is lithium. That is also correct. All type of elements are present in 6th period. That 6th period. That is also correct. And iodine is a gaseous element. Not gaseous, it is solid. Iodine is a solid state, student. So required option will be option number 4. Next, student, an element which lies in the same group of the periodic table is mercury. So that is zinc is there, student, and cadmium and Hg. Zinc, cadmium, mercury, they belongs to group number 14. Group number 12, not 14. Group number 12. So group number 12 there, zinc, cadmium, mercury. Okay, so that is last transition element they are there, zinc, cadmium, mercury. So that is with mercury, which will be there either zinc and cadmium. So correct option will be cadmium, option number 1. Okay, thank you so much for watching, friends.